Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into global affairs and examine the dynamics that shape our worlds. In today's video, we will be going to discuss increasingly loop-sided relationship between the United States and its European allies. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the notification bell to stay up to date with our thoughts-provoking contents. Now let's get started. In recent years, the economic fortunes of United States and Europe have taken divergent paths. Following the global financial crisis in 2008, the US economy experienced substantial growth, surpassing the European Union and United Kingdom by a significant margin. The US economy now stands at $25 trillion, while European Union and United Kingdom combined reach only $19.8 trillion. This is nearly one-third difference poses challenges of Europe's aspiration for economic strength and autonomy. Europe technological dependence. When it comes to technology, Europe finds itself increasingly reliant on US firms such as Amazon, Microsoft, Apple. Dominance of these American tech giants, alongside the fact that 7 largest tech companies in the world all are from the US, underscores the technological grab. In contrast, European champions in tech sector are often acquired by American counterparts, hampering the development of European tech giants. Additionally, the top university ranking reveals a disparity in the educational institution nurturing tech startup, with only one European Union institution making the top 30s. Semiconductor industries and capital markets. The decline of European semiconductor industry highlights another area where European Union lags behind the US. In 1990, Europe produced 44% of the world's semiconductors, but that figure has now dropped to a mere 9% compared to 12% the US. While both US and European Union are aiming to revitalize their semiconductor capabilities, the US projected to have 14 new semiconductor plants by 2025, while Europe and Middle East only added to a 10. Furthermore, Europe's dependency on US capital market hinders its economic autonomy, as the US enjoys greater access to private capital, large pension funds, and cheap domestic energy supplies. The impact of Europe's industrial competitiveness. The consequences of this loop-sided relationship are beginning to take toll on European industries, with energy prices soaring. The European reliance on the expensive energy imports. European Union companies face significant disadvantages compared to their American competitors. This disparity leads to a higher production cost, in some cases even factory closures. European industry leaders warn that Europe must address these issues promptly to avoid further setbacks. As we conclude this video, it becomes evident that the relationship between US and its European allies is becoming increasingly imbalanced. The growing economic disparity, technological dependence, and challenges in crucial sectors such as semiconductors, capital markets underline Europe's struggle for strategic autonomy. To maintain a competitive edge on global stage, Europe must address these challenges promptly and implement robust industrial policies. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in understanding the evolving dynamic between US and Europe. We encourage you to leave your thoughts and comments below. Do you think Europe can overcome its dependence on US and achieve the true strategic autonomy? How can Europe bridge the technological gap and strengthen its industrial competitiveness? We should love to hear your perspectives, your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe your channel and more thoughtful provoking content on global affairs and even challenging landscape.